right, Dan TV GH on YouTube. Abusa for me tonight to say in seminar a dose be na in seminar a basa na baby I will be joining our television so TV so edi amame na bibia aye kama ahinsam ana ye kana wa ha ye niatem ye nkasenti obibia Ghana ye nyina ye nipa baako emfa ho na o tribe a wo ye se wo ye mfante se wo ye anwona se wo ye mampurusi se wo ye dagomba se wo ye konkoma babia wo bia no ye niatem ye beko ene eye Tuesday ensem bebre ene eba enti yenko na yenhwe latest stories eba ha Dan TV GH on YouTube yenko.
Today is not for diplomacy or anything, it's just for breaking bread. So please relax and hear it. Good afternoon, welcome. Actually, as is the custom when I'm here, I normally invite your staff to come and break bread with me. Interestingly, today falls on an Akwasidai, so it's a combination of me inviting my children to come, at the same time also celebrating Akwasidai. So it's a two-pronged one. This morning I did the traditional one, where I poured libation and then remembered my ancestors and everything. And this afternoon, as we do in Menchia, also after the actual celebration, then we go to the palace to break bread. And that's where we have fun. So this afternoon, my staff at the embassy, the High Commissioner and his staff are here to break bread with me. And then my delegation also from Kumasi are also here to join you. So that is the short celebration that we are having. So please relax. Don't make it look like it's formal and therefore we have to and then don't look at me and say, "Otumfuo is there." Enjoy yourself there. Please have time to enjoy yourself. That's all what I want. That is the essence of why we are here. So please, good afternoon and relax and feel free. This is your house and then you can do whatever you want. Whatever you want, please ask and they will give them to you. So thank you very much for coming. Echi, thank you very much. Our son, the ambassador of Angola to South Africa, who was born in Ghana, and he was the Angolan ambassador to Ghana before coming here. And my chief director, who's been looking after me every time of foreign affairs, he's also here with me. Mr. Samuel Kwabna, who was with the WHO, now retired and then running AC Mall in Ghana. And then my son, Bright Ibinedion, my brother, Chief Ibinedion Esama of Benin Kingdom, that's the son. And he also, because I'm here, has flown him on Friday to come and be with me for a week before I go. Mr. Kofi Seche, who is the MC now, turned MC. When I saw him being the MC, I said, "Hey Kofi, now you are the MC." Seasoned banker, financial man. He owns a bank in Malawi, Zambia. He's worked on HSBC and everything. Comes to Ghana. And unfortunately, Ghana didn't allow him to work for us, so he came back. So that's why we reject our people who can do so much for us. But then I'm saying that Kofi, no, you are coming back again, so you will definitely come. But these are the people here. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, the heirs and what the emperor woo. And nothing and another two or monum say. Adia bia ye be ye bia nentias yewum. And to Kobia a Kumbia Yebekobia no Nentias Yewum. Enti Santini bia nanso ale say, Walk Waji Bansere ne, and near Maniama Tunukum, and go the Begisica. Santini Beko Drosono, what the Begisica, of Wajiji, your friends a Bansere. A Buamutitimum, Mako Moonin and Munroso, as there be a Hiamo. Munishi, and Papa Namuna Moda. Move feet and time. And your Mukon Ronso, Mukwajisica, Sikana Mukwaji.
Nkramani mapo amente social media nkramani po amente na sante ine nkramani mapo awonte na kwamba foi nkramani mapo awonte o wokura awonte nkramani mapo awonte yentio apena nkramani mapo ayente jatana yanuare isi jaso ebra isi jaso no ne nsa dem ade a me befa no na asante na befa no wa fa wie na china sem upo a nkramane po a yenti o nkramane po a yenti kojo piao kitwa we enum no beba nkramane po a yenti nkramane ma epo a yenti
ni oba fara kura wa fa wie nana
ya de koda da fi na kasa upo a yenti enum no beba edimuni ngomo na sabi imprediasa uni abe kasa social media ama
sebi oman a wo nipa empatata kro obeda so yare obeda so ebi kura di ho otimi daka mu saama oduma kuma wu ebe fa na be dia ye me nwanwa empa na wo mu ka no ni nwam eye me nwanwa se edi apa na wo mu enye ne ko a ekọ no eni ade em se nwanwa wo mu eti enyi di phobia obetumi ayewe mako suku akese professor akese eti we nyina obi antimi ye se ya ye empa na nke mba da timi akọ entimi eni esuku mu kwakọ ye dey eni abodiri ni no ma amde hwahwa mu de ye kura yesusu aye nko ba bia ni ye gina class 4 no ye timi ye board race ni ye pia de bia dipa mi erukura de tiso empa tata kura no muntimi ye amani pe wote ho se wudi found ye nya wani obi zo tinja no o kase yama se die twam kura se Ghana ye nim nyansa ya dum dawa ka fa hudie kura e ke betwam kura bidi ene o kaka enkosi aga bidi de me ka tese ma nwini ye na o man ya mfa siri kwa so anchichi ni ye na kwasi broni nsem ya de bedi akire e de nya fa hudie o abrakura homa boye na idea o man ye de kwa kugu baabi guguru medamasibi
woman called the 8th attack from war no woman no ya kanfo na attack from show many ya to woman nyina ka bomu agogo ene kumawu woman nyina kon ya ansa na santeman ya ba kumawu ni agogo kumawu de na o touch line o anu but agogo de enti na hwa na agogo nshada ni asase kumawu attack from Johnny yenunti na ma kumawu asase pa na mpembe bre no ti wire du fo na ye kumawufo
mpanyina wasua de ni monyam kura wo ebi kura wo eda wo so onya president ni bia obidi na me ko kubu ache omo ye campaign matnase ahese ye ntoma na me pe na asem sansem nuwe wa ye fitete ya na asere ese bi de okafo utimi kan enti sabe wo ba ko obi pa na ese edu nya ese edu na ye kuani bi na tua 2.2 obi oyi akrante ya one ne menedi se na mo achi bia jeri ni 3 years se ni panso besa ni banya police no so man na afo nya akatua aka o mudidi etuma didi mo wure makoja abeye no 10 city 20 city sa nya 2.2 ne ban fa na mepe police amwa di scan face amwa amfa no ka bibi mana kuma nto ne yem no anya ne ho bɔ no hu zo nso ye ni ba bia wosese ye fa ku na abeda ne ye obi a chem enti se one ne ba na maboa mo se ma di sika ye mfa mo nkasa